So the GRAM study was a study that was funded by Wellcome, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, as well as the UK Department of Health Fleming Fund. And the need to do the GRAM study arose from the fact that we did not have very comprehensive estimates of what the burden of antimicrobial resistance is globally, as well as at the country level and even regionally. So the main aim of the GRAM study was to come up with some estimates of the burden of AMR. We analyzed data from 23 pathogens, and within those we had 88 drug-bug combinations of a pathogen and the drug that is used to treat it. So we did this work across 204 countries and territories. The project was very data intensive. It meant that we needed to solicit for data from research groups, from countries' ministries of health, from pharmaceutical companies, from teams that have done different research activities, and even trials for drugs in different places, so that we could have a robust data set to analyze for this study. So coming to the results showed us that globally a total of 1.27 million deaths are directly attributable to antimicrobial resistance, and 4.5 million deaths are associated with antimicrobial resistance. And just what does that mean? Directly attributable, the 1.27 million deaths, these are deaths that occurred directly as a result of the patient being infected with a drug-resistant pathogen. And the 4.5 million were those patients who were sick of something else, but resistance was also a factor in their illness. The analysis also looked at the burden of antimicrobial resistance on a regional level. And for this work, the world was divided into 7 superregions, and the analysis revealed that the sub-Saharan African superregion had the highest burden of antimicrobial resistance. And because the data were looked at for the year of 2019, that's the year when we had the most robust data set, it showed us that, in fact, sub-Saharan Africa had a total of 255,000 deaths as a result of AMR. Now, these numbers are high and definitely show that a lot more needs to be done on the African continent in order to reduce the number of deaths that happen as a result of antimicrobial resistance. Countries, regions need data. They need data to inform their action. And we know that with the data, especially knowing which drug-bug combinations are at greatest risk due to resistance, that information alone can help countries and regions to tailor their interventions towards those drug-bug combinations.